Hi guys, so I am in southern Indiana near Louisville, Kentucky, and this is the snow that's moved through the south and came up this way. It is Monday, February 15th, 2021, and there's been snow drifts. As you can see, and if you can see the snow still flying. And it's actually hitting me, and I've got a big roof on me. But I want to go out this way. Snowdrift here, and then this is all snow. You can see that blowing that. With their snow drifts, and then parking lot down there completely covered, but I mean it wasn't completely cleared because our apartments, even though they're supposed to, they do not do snow maintenance. So let's see, there was snow here because we had a storm last week, so it's really hard to tell the exact total, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to be careful because there's also ice under this from last week. So I'm estimating only about 2 inches right now. But, I mean, the problem is there's sleet under this and ice under this. It was sleeting earlier, and now it's just pure, it is coming down now. Snow. It's coming down. So it's really hard to estimate a snow total, but I mean a couple inches is a good bet, at least at this point in time. Those are my footprints. Oh my gosh, even the coffee here has snow on them. Look at that. So these steps do, as it blows in here, because I mean there's a roof, but you can just see how far it's blowing. Definitely not a fun situation. Let's go up this way. And this is where they actually threw out ice melt the other day, which scared me because they never do anything to the apartment maintenance. They don't ever do anything to the roads. But here's a look at these cars. This one, I'm assuming, has not moved. And this is my car, and there's a big snowdrift. So it's just really, really, out here there's more snow actually. Let's try this again. Still saying about 2, but it's really hard to tell. It feels like it's more than 2 because right here it's like 3 at the moment. As you can see, I mean, I had to traipse down quite a bit, but yeah, look at that just blowing. But yeah, definitely not fun out here tonight. If anybody's out in this anywhere, definitely stay safe, stay warm. It's in the teens right now. It's very cold for sure. But yeah, that's snow, February 15th, 2021, southern Indiana, near Louisville, Kentucky area.